Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Sign in, sign up form, form elements, CSS effects, animation with JavaScript. Let's start coding. Before starting coding, I would like to show what we will do. We will create a sign in, sign up form. We will use JavaScript in this project for our buttons. We will design that form mobile friendly. It means you will see the form on your mobile phone or tablet nicely. Let me show it to you. And click that one. This is our mobile phone view. And let's change the position. You see, you can see your form nicely on your mobile phone. Let's start coding. Let me create our project folder first. Login form. Let's create our index file and CSS file. Index.html, style.css. Let's add our index.html code. Let's close that one. Login form. And let me connect our style CSS to our project. And let's save it. Let's run our server. I will type all HTML codes, then we'll start styling. Div, let's say class name form div, div form box, and let's assign buttons first. Div buttons, button type submit, and class form btn, and name of the button sign in. Let me copy that one. Let me make it wider, and that one is sign up. And let's save it, and let's have a look at it. We see our button. Let's start our form. Form plus form group, and I want to add ID as well. We will use that ID later. Login form. Input text and class input, placeholder username, and also you can type required. It means user must fill up that area. Let me copy that one and paste. The type is going to be password, as that is our sign-in form, and let's keep our class name same and placeholder password, and that one also required. Let's add a button. Type submit and class btn login right. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our login form is ready. Let me add that one here, sign in, and save it. Our login form is ready. Let's start our sign up form. Class form group and ID rec form. Input text class input, placeholder username, and required. Let me copy that one, and one more time. That one is going to be email, and type is going to be password, and placeholder password. Let's add our select menu. Select, just need to add class name. Class select. You can assign any name you want, guys. Option 0, we don't need any value for that one. Where did you find us? And second option, value Google and Google. And let's copy, put and Bing, Yahoo, and Yahoo. Value text in option, it means the form is going to send those tags as a value. Let's create our button. Type submit and class CSS Login reg and sign up. Let's save and have a look at it. You see guys, our sign in and sign up forms are ready. Let's create our social media area. Div social media, a href tag, we don't need any link, and class social icon, and close and enter, and I will add social media icons. We will use Font Awesome for it. Let me add Font Awesome in our project first. I just need to find the Font Awesome CDN. We already did in our previous example. Let's find our CDN. That one is our CDN, guys. We just need to copy and paste here, and that's all. Why are we using that CDN, guys? We are using CDN because we don't want to add all Font Awesome folders in our project. So in this way, we are fetching data from Font Awesome website. There are lots of other services like that providing CDN, such as Bootstrap and etc. Let's find our icon. First one is Facebook icon. You can select any one you want. Let's select that one and copy and paste it and save it. Let's have a look at our project. You see guys, we can see our icon here. So we can find the rest of icon like it on the web page. Let's add others. Say Twitter, effect, and link it in. And let's save it and have a look at our project. You see guys, we can see all our social media icons. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.